there is a credit union shared service model initiative that Sue is leading that is really looking at how to deliver to the credit union space the collaborative partnerships that understand the credit union world and can be more affordable, less complex. That doesn't mean they're simple, but Sue, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Let me start with the concept of what is an underground. An underground is an event that we put together where we identify issues within the credit union movement and opportunities, and we say, what solutions can we bring forward? So we call it, ideas in action. And so collaboration was the focus last year at our underground in Washington, D.C. And out of that came a working group that said, we have to get back to our grassroots. We have to cooperate with each other. The credit union movement developed an ecosystem around credit unions that was very effective early in their life cycle, where they did issues around ATMs and indirect lending and card services and so on. Those are now legacy systems, and we don't see that same collaborative new innovation happening. So credit union shared services, we call it CUSS, just to have fun, makes us like, what do you want to cuss about? What do you think are critical issues? And so some of our topics that we're going to hit on, we're going to ask the CEOs what they're seeing in the world. And frankly, there's a lot to both positively and negatively cuss about. Then there's also the whole idea of fractional leaders. We're not going to have a $10 million credit union be able to find a new CEO. So we got to share them. And then we look at the whole concept of back office. I firmly believe that we should have a holding company of back office functionality. And then the last has to do with CEOs are retiring. They've dedicated 40 years of their life to this industry, many of them women, and they have no retirement. And I think shame on us. We have to look at that. So credit union shared services is the idea of this four-legged stool, if you will, to be able to work together through an infrastructure. And Ryan Stankovic on our team is working with Turketo and others to be able to deliver scale and to put Kachinga and the youth programs and our other partners into a model where we can drive down cost by driving up scale. And that's going to take a mindset shift. We know that this is not an easy event.